How to change your password in Ring. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this three-line icon. Simply tap on this three-line icon and here select the section of account settings. So basically we in this settings interface. Here you can find different options and can even customize it. Here slowly scroll down. There's a section of password. Tap on password. Now after entering your old password, you can easily create a new password. So enter a valid password that you can remember for later. Now enter the password and again at last you can change your password easily. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.